How to stop Spotify autoplay on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop Spotify autoplay on your iPhone and Android. So without any further ado, let us begin. First, open up your Spotify. After you open Spotify, tap on the top right, top left on your profile icon. And after you do that, go to settings and privacy. After you've done that, you will see the playback option on the third. Tap on playback, and after you do so, scroll down all the way, and there you will see autoplay similar content. Now what this does is this will play something similar to what you're listening to, so you can keep on enjoying the songs on Spotify. So if you don't want this, simply turn this off and you're done. That is how you stop Spotify autoplay on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Bye bye, take care.